Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to another video and another walk. More of a stroll today, but I'm responding to a request that's been made. Yes, a request. I'm starting to get requests now. It's when they turn into demands that you've got to worry though, but this is a nice request, and somebody wanted to see some walks around local reservoirs, of which there are plenty, I have to say, in my local area, the sort of South Pennines, West Yorkshire, South Yorkshire. Yeah, lots of reservoirs and several nice walks around them. And this is the first one in that series that I'm going to hopefully be answering the request. And this is Scout Dike Reservoir, not far from Penistone in South Yorkshire. And it's a very popular place, and you'll see why. I mean, you can probably see why now, because it is really nice. So I'd love for you to join me on this walk or stroll in the springtime. Let's go see what we can find. Yeah, it's going to be a nice walk. It's only a short one, but on a day like this, it doesn't really matter. Beautiful sunshine, lovely lush green countryside. What's not to like? Anywho, why don't we have a look at the route on the map?
Today's walk starts at the Yorkshire Water car park. At just under 2 miles, this is probably one of the shortest walks we've ever done. The walk around Scout Dike is very easy. Just follow the footpath, you can't go wrong.
Yeah guys, because this is such a popular place, and on a lovely day like this, there's a lot of people about, walking dogs and what have you. So I won't be doing too much talking, you'll be pleased to hear. And probably end up lots of B-roll of shots of the reservoir, but yeah, should be nice anyway. Let's go see what we can find. Well, so far the path has been very easy to walk on. A little bit muddy here and there, but generally very flat, and certainly no hills to climb. No huffy puffiness today, I don't suppose. Well, that bit of bridge action, that marked the top end of the walk around the reservoir. We're now heading back down on the far side from where we were earlier. Well guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. It's just a short one today, but it's a good one. I'm enjoying it. It's nice to be out. If you are enjoying it, you know what to do. drop me a like down below, smash that thumbs up button, 2026 style, you know what I'm saying. And if you're really enjoying it, please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And I would love to welcome you aboard the channel. Yeah, we're about halfway around now. Another sort of kilometre and a half maybe, if that. And we'll be back. And the rain's holding off, so that's good. Yay, some more bridge action. Oh yeah. This is a really well built, well maintained bridge over a little stream. It's only a very small reservoir, but yeah, very popular. And I think that's mainly to do with the fact that the walk around it is so well maintained and so easy. And there's a little car park as well, which all adds to the popularity and the ease at which people can access it. So guys, we're almost back at the car park now, and that's our journey's end. Just a short one, but yeah, nice one. Nice one. You can see a number of people about as well. So it's obviously very popular place. So I'm going to sign off there. Hope you've enjoyed coming with me on this special request walk. It's yeah, I think I might do a series. I'll do a few reservoir walks. And let me know what you think. Drop me a comment, and I'll see what people think of it. Anywho, until the next time, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, cheers guys, bye.